Hello, beautiful parents. Welcome to Mom on Board. After such a long break, Mom on Board on its track again. In today's video, I am going to talk regarding the pup rash. It is a kind of pregnancy rash. Its spell is PUPP rash. In today's video, I am going to cover its various aspects. What is exactly mean by PUPP rash? Does it causes any harm to mother and the fetus? What are the exact symptoms of it? How does it occurs, whether it is common or not, what are the different remedies are available for it. So without wasting much more time, let's start today's video. So what is exactly mean by pup rash? PUPP. Its full form is Pruritic Urticarial Papules and Plex of Pregnancy. It's kind of complex full form, but it's a kind of very irritating rashes. What exactly it look like? It are the red skin patches which occurs all over the body. So it does not cause any harm to mother or a fetus, but it's very irritating because it's a kind of itching rashes. So yes, it is a common kind of pregnancy rashes. Generally out of 160, one woman, a pregnant woman, is face this kind of problem. When exactly it occurs? So it generally occurs in a third trimester from 7 month to 9 month till 9 month till baby take a birth. It there the frequency of occurrence may be little bit here and there, but yes, till 9 month, till baby take a birth, till baby comes, the rashes will be there. For next 15 days that will be there. The next question is whether it causes any harm. No, it does not cause any harm to a pregnant woman or to a fetus. So it is harmless, but it kind of irritating because it's very itching. So meanwhile, it causes a pain to a pregnant mother. The next question is who does affect the pup rash? It generally occurs in a lately, like as I mentioned, in a third trimester, but it remains till baby comes. After the 15 days, slowly it vanishes. So the next question is what are the different symptoms of it? So it's a kind of a reddish looking like a bump on a skin. It generally appears near on a stretch marks. So generally it spreads all over the body. It starts from the belly. It covers the thighs, then legs, then hands, then breast, everywhere except face. The rashes will cover all over the body area. I will share the Google images of the rashes and the same rashes which actual pictures I have faced this trouble too. So I am going to share the two, which is the Google image and the actual pics of the rashes, how it looks. So the next aspect is how exactly it looks like, what is the color. So it's depend upon the melanin of the pregnant woman. If the woman is a fair, so obviously the rashes looks like a reddish or a pinkish in color, and a woman is having a darker skin tone, then the same skin tone color which is little bit higher darker in a shade, it look like the same. All in all, the most troublesome part of this rash is it causes a lot of itching and its spreadness. Because of this, the daily activities like all routine is gets disturbed, and especially the sleep at a night. So yes, it's a kind of troublesome, but it's a temporary, so there is nothing to worry. After a baby comes out, the all pain will vanishes obviously. Now the next aspect is what are the causes of occurring this pup rash. Scientifically, by the research till now, there are no any specific reason for occurring this pup rash, but maybe it related to the stretch marks, because in a pregnancy the belly size of a pregnant woman is increasing so fast, and because of that the stretch mark is obviously occurring, and the connectivity of the skin, that is the connective tissue, they are getting loosened, and because of that the red skinny patch or a bump like a texture is occurs, which is called as an pup rash. And obviously because of the pregnancy all hormonal imbalance is there. This is maybe the second reason of occurring this pup rash. Now the next aspect is how can we treat this? So it can be treated by both the ways. There are home remedies and obviously medication, which is the essential part of it. In home remedies, what we can do, we can have a oatmeal bath, then a cold shower bath, obviously 2 times in a day. Then the third is the pregnant woman should wear the light cotton weight clothes. And the fourth is we can use the cold compress wherever the rashes are appearing. So these are all the home remedies. Home remedies just give the relief, some kind of relief from this puff rash, but obviously the proper way is a treatment only. So in treatment, doctor suggests us to go to the dermatologist, and the dermatologist suggests us a different kind of creams, lotions. So at the end of the video I will share the detailed image of the medications which my dermatologist suggests me. So it covers the anti-itching creams, then antihistaminic pills and corticosteroids. All these medications gives the relief from the pain. So obviously medication and treatment is very important part. In lotions generally they cover the lactocalamine lotion which have to apply all over the body wherever the patches are appear, because the patches covers all body area except the face. So this is the best lotion which is suggested by the dermatologist. And other medications for sure I will share the name and the images of the product at the end of the video. So this is all about the puff rash which I shared the information and the problems which I have faced. So I hope you like the video. The information is fruitful for you. If you really like the video, then please like, subscribe the channel, because Mom on Board is coming track after such a long time, and obviously I require your support, your backup. And thanks for watching today's video. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and bye bye.